President Trump's recent tariffs on foreign trade partners have raised concerns across various industries, with AI companies facing significant challenges. These tariffs could drive up costs for building and maintaining AI infrastructure, potentially slowing progress in AI development. This article explores how these tariffs might affect the AI sector and what it means for the future of AI in the U.S. and globally. AI companies are heavily investing in new data centers to train models, and President Trump's tariffs are expected to increase the already substantial costs associated with this infrastructure. Many AI components, such as servers, cooling systems, and power supplies, are imported, and the tariffs will apply until supply chains are adjusted. This will significantly raise costs for AI companies, according to experts. While chips themselves are exempt from tariffs, most chips are imported inside products like servers, which are subject to tariffs. However, some NVIDIA servers, which are widely used in AI data centers, may avoid tariffs since they are assembled in Mexico and qualify for tariff exemptions under NAFTA. Despite these exemptions, the broader impact could be substantial. The increased costs of materials and components could prompt companies to build data centers abroad, where power costs are lower. This could reduce the U.S.'s competitive edge in the global AI race, which is a key goal of the Trump administration. Chris Miller, author of Chip War, cautions that rising data center costs could make it even harder for the U.S. to maintain its lead over China in AI development. Some analysts believe that these rising costs may force U.S. companies to reevaluate their strategies, especially if tariffs are adjusted or escalate further. As AI companies continue to push for new technological breakthroughs, any delay or additional financial burden could slow the pace of innovation, ultimately hindering the industry's ability to meet its ambitious goals. Furthermore, the unpredictability of the ongoing trade dispute complicates long-term planning, as companies must prepare for a continuously shifting landscape. Another consequence of the tariffs is that they could alter the dynamics of AI partnerships and international collaborations. As the cost of building data centers rises, companies may look to collaborate with overseas firms or shift their focus to regions with fewer trade barriers. This could lead to a shift in the global AI ecosystem, with countries outside the U.S. potentially gaining an upper hand in AI development if they can offer more favorable economic conditions for AI infrastructure. With the trade conflict extending beyond just tariffs, the long-term global effects could lead to a reshuffling of the AI industry. Countries in Europe and Asia may take this as an opportunity to develop their own AI capabilities and establish local data center operations, thereby reducing their reliance on U.S. imports. The uncertainty surrounding future tariff rates may also discourage foreign investments into U.S.-based AI companies, prompting firms to seek out more stable environments for their capital. Furthermore, the pressure from tariffs could push AI companies to invest more heavily in local supply chains and innovation. To counteract the cost increases, companies might explore new manufacturing strategies, automation, and more efficient data center designs. The trade barriers could spur innovation in areas like hardware efficiency, energy conservation, and even alternative cooling technologies as businesses try to offset the impact of higher construction costs. While the short-term effects of the tariffs are significant, the long-term impacts remain uncertain. Experts believe that AI services may continue to get cheaper over time due to advancements in algorithms and hardware. Recent research shows that the cost of using AI is falling annually by about 40 times, which could help offset the increased costs of building AI infrastructure. In conclusion, while the tariffs are likely to increase the cost of building and maintaining AI data centers in the U.S., advancements in technology may continue to reduce the cost of using AI. The future of AI development will depend on how these tariffs are managed and whether companies can find cost-effective solutions. The long-term impact on the U.S. AI sector remains uncertain, but the global race for AI dominance is far from over. The AI industry's resilience and adaptability in the face of these challenges will be crucial in determining how the sector evolves over the coming years.